Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can decide which airline is giving you the cheapest price uh, to travel. Alright, so you can simply use your mobile Android phone or Apple phone and you can decide uh, in which way you wanna go. Alright, so make sure you have subscribed to my channel for other amazing videos. Okay, so let's start and let me show you how it will be done. Okay, so first of all you have to connect with a stable internet connection, and then you have to open the Play Store of your mobile and you have to download two different apps, Cheap Air and SkyScanner. Okay, so let's start. So first of all you can open any app. For example, here I am opening the Cheap Air app. As you can see that its layout, and yes, you can choose one way trip or the round trip. You can choose your city and the airport. For example, I am here right now using Dubai airport from where I gonna move, and the destination. For example, here I am choosing Islamabad, and the dates here you can select anyone. For example, you wanna go on the 11th of August 2021 and you wanna came back on Tuesday 14th of September 2021. Then I am here applying the selected options and I am clicking the search flights option, and here you can see after a couple of minutes this app will give you a number of different airline companies and their prices. For example, here you can see the PIA and Etihad Airlines and Qatar Airlines and their different time zones in which you can travel. All right, you can see that cheapest airline is giving 215 and the shortest is 275.84. Okay, so this one is the recommended one. All right, that is in the green box you can see. So I am going to minimize this app, and now I am going to open the other app, which is Skyscanner. All right, and now we have to seen what price the other app was giving. Now I am going to check from this, and I am here simply clicking on the flights option, and I am choosing from where I want to go, from Dubai to Islamabad, from the same dates, because we want to compare the prices on that date. All right, okay, so I'm going to search for the economy class, and here you can see the prices. For here it's showing 186 and 219 and 219. So 186 pound is the cheapest one that suits you best. All right, so how we can compare the price? Okay, here it's 186 pound. All right, and in the cheap air you can see it is showing 215 euros. Okay, so what I am going to do is I am just going to search here euro to pound. All right, so how many euros it was showing there? 215. All right, 215. I am going to paste here 215 euro to pounds. All right, selling, so it is almost equal to 184 pounds. Okay, so as you can see in cheap air it was 215, which was 184 pounds, and here in Skyscanner it is 186. So a cheap air is giving us the cheapest rate compared to all airlines. Okay, so I am going with cheap air, and here you can choose it gives you the other details and total price. All right, and it is telling you about the timings and etc everything. Okay, so you can simply click, you can cross check all your information here. Okay, on and the dates. All right, and then you can click on the continue option. Here it will give you some details. You have to enter some details: your first name, middle name, last name. Okay, your email address. I am not going to enter any detail right now for you guys. I'm not going to waste your time, and I know the different guys, they start entering the same information while deciding for their trip and while purchasing their tickets, and afterwards you have to click continue and you have to give some payment details. As you can see, the next option on the top right corner is the payment, and then you have to pay from your mobile, from your ATM card, from your bank account, okay, from via PayPal as well. And then you have to just finish this step and you can get your ticket. And so that was all from my side for today, and keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channel for many other amazing videos. And that's all from my side too. Thank you very much, guys.